Welcome back. It's been a nice day. We've got partly cloudy skies over Peoria currently. Nice looking view from the Paradise Hotel and Casino camera in East Peoria, looking back towards downtown. 77 in Peoria, upper 70s from Pontiac to Bloomington, 81 degrees in Galesburg. Canton is now 82. You can see some of these mid and high level clouds pushing on through, but there's really not much to it. Skies are likely to clear out pretty quickly as we head throughout the evening. And really not much going on across the country. There's been some thunderstorms in Texas, some more back in New Mexico. And then one area that is really picking up some rain is Florida. They have actually been dealing with some abnormally dry conditions, and they're making up for it now. They're going to be dealing with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms over the next couple of days. But high pressure, it's going to start moving out. This little weak trough in front is going to gradually wash out as it lifts to the north and east. Then our attention turns to the next front, which is set to arrive here on Thursday evening. We'll still be looking much warmer, though, until that cold front arrives, and we'll eventually get a chance of storms with it when it gets here. As for tonight, just a few clouds, especially earlier today, or early this evening, rather. Now, our model is bringing in a separate wave of cloud cover late tonight. I don't think we're going to see that. I do think skies will remain mostly clear. Temperatures dropping into the low 60s for most, with maybe some upper 50s out near Pontiac. Bloomington normal coming in around 60 degrees. Through tomorrow, a lot of sunshine in the morning. Some more afternoon clouds will be possible. The one difference, though, is it's going to be noticeably warmer, with temperatures making a push into the upper 80s and low 90s. Thankfully, the heat index doesn't look too bad tomorrow. Generally around 91, 92 degrees. Locally up maybe a little closer to 95. But for the most part tomorrow, it's just going to be warm. But it gets uncomfortably warm as we get into Thursday. Dew points are expected to climb into the low 70s. Temperatures into the 90s. And all of that ahead of the cold front, which will bring us some relief. Now, unfortunately, that cold front also brings in a chance for some severe thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has placed most areas west of Interstate 55 within a level 2 risk for severe storms. Damaging winds and large hail are going to be the primary concerns, but there's enough water in the atmosphere that the storms will also be prolific rain producers. And while most won't see this, it's not out of the realm possibility that a few areas walk out with more than 2 or 3 inches of rain, though I don't think that's going to be a widespread issue. Here's what it looks like on Future Track. We're going to pick this up at noon on Thursday. Notice we're still dry. Then as the front comes in, scattered showers and thunderstorms begin to develop, and these storms may be severe. Again, hail, gusty winds, heavy rain will be the primary concerns as they drop their way and gradually work their way south across the state. Still some location issues as to exactly where those storms will develop, so be sure to stay tuned. All right, before the front arrives, it is going to be hot. A lot of us will be looking at highs in the low 90s, but when you factor in the elevated dew points well into the 60s and 70s, we're looking at heat indices around 100 in Canton, Havana, close to 100 in Peoria at 99, 97 degrees down in Lincoln. Here's the extended forecast. It does get a little cooler both Friday and Saturday. Unfortunately, the cool down is just temporary, and we're right back into that hot and humid mess early next week.